Hello there, this is Doc Mountain and welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be alerted. So the main focus of today's video is on how you can actually recharge your new account. So let's open MIU. Once you open your app, when the app loads, what you see is what I'm seeing right now. Then what you need to do is you click the profile tab, the one which is in the bottom right corner. You click it and you check where it reads my home page. Okay, so I hope you're able to see that. Prince level, my homepage, agents. Now right below agents recruitment, there is recharge. Click there and then this page will actually load where you need to take a pick. Which option are you going by? Do you want to recharge your account with 420 beans so that you lose 135, or you pay 135.63 kwacha? Now, depending on where you are, obviously you see the currency that you use in that zone where you are. So you check at the bottom here, there is only one method of payment, that is Google Pay. So with Google Pay, as long as you've actually connected your card, you can actually purchase the coins. So you simply hit at the bottom there where it reads recharge me, and you will walk away with the number of beans that you have selected. As simple as that. Go ahead and purchase some beans.